Hey, what's up everybody? This is Lewis with About That RV Life, and today I'm going to do a very quick demonstration on the Furrion rear camera system that we have on our 2021 Hideout. We absolutely love this thing. You know, anytime that we're down the road hauling that camper, you can see the left, the right, or the rear. I'm going to do a quick demonstration on just how to hook it up. It's very easy, very simple, and then how it works. With this Furrion is it easily sticks up to your window here. It comes down, connects right into your lighter. So once this is on, you've got to turn on your lights, in which it turns on. One of the real cool things about this is it's touchscreen. So if you wanted to take a look at the door, there's the door, actually the signal. Here's the left side of the camera, right side of the camera, and there's the rear. So what I'm going to do is basically we're taking it, we're moving this so I can install a basketball hoop here on this concrete for my daughter. So to be able to view all sides, you got to double tap, tap, view all. You've got your left side camera, your right side camera, and your rear. Now, as I've got this thing connected, what I'm going to do, one of the cool things, it's got those lines that kind of guide you just to make sure you're not going to hit anything. So if you're driving down the road and you see, you know, a semi on one side and a car on the other, or something in the back, or maybe somebody's following you too close, this thing is really great to be able to see what's around you. So very safe camera, love it. So like I mentioned before, it's definitely something that's very safe so that you can see all sides when you're running down the road and you avoid a situation like this. Now, one of the cons about it though, it is pretty pricey. This is over $800 as you can see here, but luckily it came with this camper that we bought. So would I invest in it again? Probably down the road when we make some more money from our rental business, but at this point, it's quite a bit of money for a simple camera system. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you could, leave some comments down below if you like this system or not. Give this video a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing as it supports our channel. Have a great day.